Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and today we are going to give my Honda CL9 some much needed attention. I have not been neglecting it. It's been a very good daily to me. Tomorrow I'll be taking the car down to Payton for a full service and a full check, and also for him to pass for pink slips because this car is actually running out of rego very soon, and so I need it back on the road healthy. And yeah, it's been really good. So since I'm getting this car fully inspected, I'm going to quickly buff the headlights real quick. Nothing fancy, just a hand polish with cut-in polish Meguiar's. Obviously wash the car up and see what I can do with the exhaust tips to polish them up, as I've recently polished the Chasers one for Home for Nights and it turned out really good. So I want to see how it turns out for the Honda too. It's time I give it some much needed car wash because I haven't done that in a long time. Just got the car washed. Damn guys, I have never seen the wheels this clean for a long time, I'll tell you this. This has to be one of the most satisfying cleans I've had in a while. Usually I'm just so lazy and I get other people to wash the car, but this is one of the first times I washed the car after a year. Okay, now I'm gonna attempt to kind of make this better. It's not gonna be the best result, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Second one done. Look at that guys, god, looks brand new. I'm amazed by this result. That's all we needed. We just needed some attention, some hand buff, and we're good to go. Sheesh, that's clear guys. Wow, honestly, this is what I'm using guys. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. No doubt that the yellow will come back over time, but for a quick restoration, this is pretty good result. I don't have time for the exhaust right now. We'll do it next time when we get the car back. Just closed the bonnet and damn, it's looking like a different car right now. But yeah guys, super satisfied with this result so far, and yeah, we'll do more cool things later on. For now, I'll see you at Payton's. Good morning guys, time to drop her off to get serviced. Today the Euro gets serviced. We're just doing a maintenance check, and also it's getting out of rego. Can't stay all day here, so I gotta go back to work. But yeah, I'll be back and the car should be fixed. Car is all done. Looks so clean.
Sit. Shake, 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 shake.
Hit the apple, not the rock.
Apple, dumbass. There's some apple.
Yo, Leo just really took a dump. He ran out and took a dump. What? Come here, come on. Get back inside. Troublemaker you are. Gee. Good afternoon guys. Today we are gonna prep the Chaser up. We got invited to a car meet. They are called Notorious Club, and I'm gonna have Obaba, which is Kieran, parking up with me. So we'll just have a fun time. I'm honestly motivated to go because it's pretty local to where I live, so it's only like what, 15 minutes from where I am. So yeah, I'm gonna wash her up.
I'm still thinking about the gurney.
Chaser's all cleaned up now. We're gonna take Leah for a little walk. Ready, Leah?
Ready?
Right now I'm gonna head down to get some acai, some soft acai. It's pretty trending at the moment. If you guys do follow us on Instagram, you know we are pretty addicted to this. But yeah, I'll show you guys in a vlog. Here it is, guys. Soft serve acai, that's a peanut butter, and this Biscoff. I recommend Biscoff.
Usually it comes with granola usually, but then we always tell them no granola.
Because we're weird like that, but we just get more acai. Got Leo in. That's so funny, man. We're just heading out to dinner right now. What's up, Kieran? What's doing, bro? What's doing? So Kieran brought out his car, obviously because he got invited as well. And yeah, just gonna take the chaser down. What's up, Yvonne? What's doing? Good. Got Leo inside the chaser, guys. This is funny as hell. This is Linda's first time actually in the car when it's all done. It's your first time, eh?
My first time in this car with like the lights installed and everything.
That's crazy. And there's Leo, first dog ever to get in this car. And yeah, that's Min. What's doing, bro? So we ran into an issue with the chaser. The remote is not turning on either. Hey guys, forgot to mention issues, so here's a little voiceover. The airbag was the issue, the fuse popped and the car was stuck on air up and I couldn't air it down because the remote was off and the whole management was off. So here we are talking to Mike, trying to figure out what the issue was and which fuse popped. This is chilling. Hallelujah. You know what, we make our own car, mate. Just gonna check out Jonah's car. Oh, if I open the door, bro. Yo. How the neons just come on. Jesus. Jonah's car is crazy, dude. Jeez. Look at that.
This is nice, man.
Yeah. With a double E. Yeah. You wanna install these on mine too? Bro, these are sick, bro. Oh my god. Bruh. A ring. Oh, yo. Hey, yo.
It's not camera, bro. You have to have a switch, right?
I got a switch for this one. Just in case.
Whoa. Full light up in it. Hey, yo.
You want to sell my life?
Yo, you gotta hook me up with these side ones, bro. Oh my god. Guys, what do you think of this interior? This is Jonah's car. This is the first time we're checking out Jonah's car, man. God. Later that night, I headed down to Mike at the workshop and got it all fixed.
The actual fuse on the battery.
Here's the moment.
Yeah.
We're back home, the chaser is all fixed. I ended up going to Mike that night. He was in the warehouse pretty late, so we just headed down there after and I drove the chaser pretty much aired up. After we connected everything, new fuse and fixed up the one at the rear, when we tried to start the car shut off again, and that gave us a clear answer, and thank God it wasn't anything too big, but it ended up being my battery. So I replaced it with a new battery and now the car is normal. We're back and yeah, that's the cause. The battery was just causing spikes because that one had a dead cell, so I needed to change it anyway anytime soon. And yeah, we shouldn't have any more issues in the future for a while. Thank God for Mike for pulling through that night. Thanks, bro. We actually didn't end up going to the car meet. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna end this vlog here. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.